Hey everyone, Jack here. I'll only take 2 minutes of your time, but it's going to be worth it. We all want to make money and get rich, right? Today, I want to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that's almost free to use and has unlimited potential, Adobe Express. Since I'm keeping this short and sweet, I'll focus on one of the best features, Animate from Audio. This tool lets you create 2-minute animated talking avatars using any MP3 audio file. You can create these audio files with services like 11 Labs or any other free website. It even allows you to extract audio from any video. Here's how you do it. Head over to Adobe Express. Upload your MP3 audio file. Follow the simple steps to create your animated avatar. It's that easy. Adobe Express makes animation accessible to everyone. So, give it a try and start creating amazing content today. Don't forget to watch the full video because I always include the tutorial at the end to help you understand exactly how it works. Also, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video!